Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to show you my update of September. So September, how is my garden? Today I want to show you and what are coming up and what is the update of it. Okay. Now as we go here, this is the guava tree, and last month we have seen only flowers on it. Okay. Last month I have shown you, I have made a video of update of August. We have only flowers. Okay, now we are able to see these fruits here on this. This fruit is very sweet and I love very much. I have this type of trees, 3 trees in my garden, and next what is coming here is, you can see the small flowers on this pomegranate, and they are very promising for me, and next I'll be getting, I think. You can see these flowers coming. Last month there were no flowers, and this month their flowers are coming on this tree. And next we can find this anjur. See here, anjur, small fruits were there in August, but now they are bigger, so bigger. I think I'll be getting soon. Okay, and next this is the chiku plant here. I have this chiku plant. There are so many buds and flowers coming on this. See here, this chiku plant is bearing so many flowers, and fruits also are there down. You can see the fruits also coming up. Okay, and next what I'm having is this is muskmelon. This is the muskmelon which I've got. It's growing and it's going to be a very big now. It's growing, see here. It will be growing and growing. It will take a lot of time. And the most important thing in this month is, which I love so much, is this custard apple. See how beautiful it is, and I'm so happy for this. And there are 3 custard apples coming up here, and I'm very, very happy that I am able to share this lovely fruit coming up. Okay. And next what is coming up is, I have here these 2 guava trees here, and these are the fruits I'm having. And now coming to the vegetables part, here I'm having these, you can see these ivy gourds, so tiny. This is the fresh one. This is already, last month I have showed you that 2 I have put, and some ivy gourds also I harvested. So in this is the new plant. Last month only I have kept, only 1.5 month. I don't think even 1.5 month was over for this, but this is promising. See here, so many small ivy gourds are coming here with beautiful flowers on it, and I like this. Is very small. See here, so small. You can see, you are able to see. So I'm very happy to share all these with you. And next what is coming is, I'm always having this brinjal. And yeah, I'm having this small cherry tree. Cherries are also coming. Cherry tomatoes are also coming up. I think it's down there. Okay, cherry tomatoes are coming up. I'll show you. Then next one is these long beans. See here, long beans also I have so many are coming up. This here, long beans, and here also today I'm going to harvest all these beans. Long beans are coming. Okay, see here, so many long beans are coming, and this is only 1.5 month. I have put this only 1.5 month before, and this is full of beans. It is very, very, very easy. Okay, very easy to get this. Only thing is we have to prepare this soil mix and put some seeds into it. Then it doesn't, we needn't even take much care of it. But this is growing so nicely, and I'm having so many of these. And this is the next what I'm having is, this is the ridge gourd I'm having here. See here, I'm having these ridge gourds, and some of them are coming up. And this is how I am getting this in September. I should have done more. Because of this COVID time, I'm not able to do anything. I don't want to go out, and I want to stay safe. So that's why I'm not going to do anything now. And next, maybe if everything is well, then I'll be going to do in October. Okay then, next, what I want to tell you is, see these brinjals also. brinjals are coming up. In vegetables part, I have so many leafy vegetables also, and I every time I'll be getting some leafy vegetables, and I don't bother about leafy vegetables. I'll be harvesting every day. Whenever I want, I'll be harvesting these leafy vegetables. Okay, and this in this episode, I want to tell you that if we harvest and take this harvest into our kitchen and prepare curries, or if we cut the fruits and eat, it gives us a lot of satisfaction. There is we can't tell it in words, like I just can't express in words. This is a very, very happy thing that I'm enjoying, and I feel that some of you who are watching this video will do this, will start planting some trees, and they can also enjoy what I'm enjoying. Okay, think over it, and for now, bye. Happy gardening, all of you. Thank you, bye. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get the next notifications. Okay then, thank you, bye.